Guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today's Friday. Market looking like shit this morning. It's about to close later this evening. I need to be careful of what and how you trade before other market closes, not crypto. Okay, so what I want to do here is an update of a previous video I dropped on my YouTube. If you have not watched that, please go back and watch that. Okay, so I'll be starting with BTC USD, and I'll be using Bitstamp. Why? Bitstamp has a lot of data to the back. So let me remove the drawings here. Then we'll go to the weekly time frame. Yes, I wanted to explain the Ichimoku I shared on my signal channel. So let me quickly explain that before I go into the proper daily time frame signals. So now what we're seeing here, let me remove the price and explain this very well. Now I'm not comparing what happened in the past, which is here, to what happened in the future, to what is going to happen here. So this is what I want to look at very well, and it is very important we take note of this. In this Ichimoku, there are a lot of signals. When price is going up, a lot of signals to look at. Price is going down, a lot of signals to look at. When price is about to start its bullish trend to the upside, there are a lot of signals you look at. When price is about to start its bearish trend to the downside, there are a lot of signals. When price is coming to an end to its trend, there's a lot of signals. So now let's take a look at this bearish trend. If it's going to continue, or we are gradually coming to an end to the bearish trend. Now I want you guys to take a look at what happened in the past here. So now what I'm using the bullish setup. I'm not using past move to compare the to predict the future move. So what I want to do here is to explain to you guys the signal setup, so that you guys will understand what we're seeing here and what we'll likely be looking at in the future. So now look at what happened in this cloud here. Look at what happened in this cloud here. And look at the blue EMA is called the Tenken, the red EMA is called the Kijun, and the green EMA here is called the Chiku span. Now, when we get, this is on the weekly time frame, take note of that. When the blue EMA crosses the red EMA from bottom to top below the cloud, it's a bullish crossing and it's a bullish signal, but it is a weak bullish signal. Why? Because this bullish crossing is below the is at the bearish territory rather. Why? Anything below the cloud is bearish, anything above the cloud is bullish. So it is at the bearish territory, so it is a weak signal. So now, after getting that, there are other things you need to look at. Where is your Chiku span, which is the green EMA? Chiku span should be, for you to get that 100% bullish move, Chiku span should gradually move above the price, which I have removed, and the cloud. So now you see this blue EMA, how it moved up. Now when the Chiku span, which is the green EMA, moved above the price and above the cloud, you can see it's continued staying above everything until we got that bearish signal here and it went inside back. So now let's take a look at this. We have not gotten any bullish crossing, which is the blue crossing, the red from bottom to the upside. Why? The Chiku span is still facing down, indicating that the bearish trend is still yet to come to an end. And apart from that, we have this cloud, which is red. if the future cloud is red, it's telling you that the market is bearish until we get the Kumo twist, just like what we had here. Kumo twist is when this cloud turns and twist, which is this line will come up while this will come down. So that twist is what we call the Kumo twist. Now when it twists from the red to the blue, there will be a gradual movement of price. So now you can see it is something we're not seeing here. No bullish move at all. Maybe we are going to get a bullish crossover here, but we're yet to see that. Okay, so let me put back the price and show you guys this. Now you can see price has continued to do what? Price has continued to lean on this blue EME. Blue EME here is serving as what? Resistance for price. So we need this to move above, then blue EME to cross this, then we'll start talking about a bullish move to the upside. So for now, let's keep an eye on the weekly time frame. Very, very important. Okay, so let's go down to lower time frame. Yeah, I'm not gonna do the XY, just BTC. Yes, let me remove the Ichimoku. Let me remove that. The last video I dropped, I talked about this previous support turning to future resistance. I talked about this, and this, and I said that price needs to break above this level for us to see that bullish move to the upside. But looking at the rules of support and resistance, it's all true when support turns to future resistance and resistance turns to future support. Now, you can see how this has played out very well here. Support, 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 broke that psychological support. Now went back down, came back up to test that previous support, now future resistance. So let's go down to lower time frame, 3 hours time frame. Let me show you guys what has been building up for some time, which is it a rising wedge? The rising wedge here, and I think that is a little bit clear when you go to the daily time frame. I saw that and I posted it on my Signal channel. Yes, yes. So now let's look at these two as well. Rising wedge here. So what am I trying to point out here? I'm trying to point out that there are a lot of support to the downside. Even one would say that this is where we want price to come to, or this is what we're looking at, which is the demand zone. That doesn't mean that price might not even stop around here or here. It's very, very important. So let's mark those places out. First of all, we're looking at this supply zone. So this is the supply zone. So let me use this brush here. This is the supply zone. Then why the other supply zone is called the resistance, why the demand zone here is called the support. So demand for support and supply for resistance. So now we're talking about a lot of things that have triggered this when we got this violation here. What happened here? You can see this is called the bearish engulfing candlestick, and we want this to close this way. Once it closes this way, we will likely test this level. So what is that level? We're looking at this here. Now we're looking at another level again. We're looking at another level here before will get to this. Now take note of this. Once price continues to lean on one side of these levels, like when price, let's say price dumps down to this level and continues to lean on this level, so you should be ready to short BTC down. That is just the absolute and the straightforward method to look at that trend when you see price leaning on this level. Okay, it's something we all need to understand. You can see what happened here before the breakout. It's very clear here what happened. What happened here? Look at what happened here. Price continued to lean on this place, and next thing we got what? Price broke that level and went higher. So that's just what I wanted to share with you guys. I will continue to do this short video to update BTC move for you guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, turn on the notification, and you'll get an alert when I drop any new video update on BTC, the XY BTC. Yeah, let's look at ETH. First one, Bitstamp 2, still the same thing. We're still looking at, but this on the weekly time frame, it looks a little bit different. Let me remove this. I was seeing something like a symmetric triangle here. Let me see. Symmetric triangle here. Okay, so yeah, support is still here. Huge support here. Support here. You can see yet to violate that level. So let's go back to this. So yes, still the rising wedge for me here. And these two as well. So you can see, so the target for this is just straight. You can see it is currently at the support here. So see what happened here. Support, resistance, now support, and if it violates this, we're coming to test this level. So I would update this in my next video. Do well to subscribe. Don't forget. Stay safe and happy trading. Bye bye, guys.